What are Siri shortcuts?
The Siri shortcuts are customizable actions on Apple devices that let you automate common tasks with a simple tap or voice command. You can create shortcuts for sending messages, adjusting smart home devices, starting playlists, and much more. These shortcuts save time by bundling multiple actions into a single workflow, all accessible through Siri or the Shortcuts app.
How do I get started with Siri shortcuts?
To begin, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone or iPad. Browse the gallery for pre-built shortcuts or tap the plus sign to create your own. Choose actions like sending texts, adjusting lights, or playing music. Name your shortcut and add a Siri phrase for voice activation. Now, you can trigger your new automation with just your voice or a tap.
How can I use Siri shortcuts in my smart home?
Siri Shortcuts work seamlessly with smart home devices compatible with Apple HomeKit. Create automations to control lights, thermostats, or locks. For example, build a shortcut called Good Night that dims lights, locks doors, and lowers the thermostat, all at once. This streamlines your routines and lets you manage multiple devices with a simple command.
Can I automate daily routines?
Yes, with Siri Shortcuts, automate routines like your morning wake-up. Set up a shortcut to read the weather, turn on the coffee maker, and play your favorite news podcast, or create shortcuts for leaving the house, such as turning off lights and adjusting the thermostat. These automations can be triggered by voice, time of day, or even your location.
What tips make Siri shortcuts more effective?
Start simple and expand as you get comfortable. Use clear names and Siri phrases for easy recall. Combine multiple actions for powerful workflows, but test them to ensure they run smoothly. Explore the Automation tab in the Shortcuts app to set triggers based on time, location, or another app's activity, making your routines even more hands-free and efficient.